Let me ask you something. What if you could buy a fraction of a skyscraper, or a piece of a Picasso painting, and trade it like a stock on your phone? Sounds crazy, right? Well, it's about to be real. Hey, if you trade or invest, you need to hear this. Nasdaq just made a huge move. They're pushing to let tokenized securities trade on their main market. This could be the biggest shakeup in finance since ETFs. And if you're early, you might ride the wave. So here's the deal. Tokenized securities are basically real assets, like stocks or real estate, turned into digital tokens on a blockchain. You still have ownership rights, dividends, voting, everything. But now they can be traded 24/7, globally, with faster settlement and lower costs. And this isn't just talk. Nasdaq filed with the SEC to launch tokenized trading. At the same time, the US just passed the Genius Act, which gives stablecoins, basically crypto dollars, legal clarity. That means institutions can finally get involved without worrying about breaking rules. This is the green light Wall Street was waiting for. But hold up, it's not all sunshine and profits. Early tokenized markets can be illiquid, meaning you might not find a buyer when you want to sell. Some projects could be scams, and regulation is still catching up. So you have to do your homework, just like with stocks. So, how do you play this smart? First, start learning. Understand blockchain basics, wallets, custody, security. Second, watch regulatory updates. Follow Nasdaq, SEC announcements, and major tokenization news. Third, start small. Maybe experiment with a tiny position in a tokenized asset or ETF once they go live. And most importantly, stay disciplined. Don't FOMO your entire account because someone on Twitter said it's the next Bitcoin. Think about it. In a few years, finance might run 24/7, borderless. No waiting for T+2 settlements, no crazy fees, no gatekeeping. Small investors might own pieces of companies or assets that were once reserved for billionaires. This is why I think tokenization could be a once-in-a-decade opportunity, and the smart money is already preparing. So, are you excited or skeptical about tokenized assets? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want me to make a follow-up video about specific tokenized assets to watch right now, smash that like button and hit subscribe, because this space is moving fast, and you don't want to be late to this party.